the east. It's drawing up moisture from the south, pulling in colder air from the north. So we have a rain event and the storms all out towards the eastern plains today. But as this cooler air starts to filter in from the north heading into tonight and tomorrow, we'll watch for that rain to actually transition into snowfall. We'll see that here in just a second on our FutureCast. Here's a look at the side of the
We've seen it here.
We have some pockets of heavier rain up towards Fort Collins.
How you guys doing? Eric here. Today is May 9th, 2015. And believe it or not, it's May 9th. And we've been dealing with this weather for like 8 days in a row now. It's been rain, 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 snow. Rain, snow, rain, 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 snow. And it just won't let up, man. And now we got this big storm we're dealing with over the weekend here. Today's Saturday, tomorrow's Mother's Day. And it's kind of a good thing it's snowing up here, because if this was coming down as rain, I think we definitely see some flooding down around Boulder and Denver like we saw into 2013. But yeah, I'm pretty sure there's some of this has to do with weather manipulation. Yep, it's shitty out here, but Dingo don't care. He has to have his walk anyways. Twice a day on my days off. Rain, snow, sleet, shine. He don't care what the weather is. Even when it's 10 below zero, he has to have his walk. Even though when it gets that cold, he starts limping because his feet freeze up. But he won't let me put shoes on him. So yeah, anyways, besides the weather here in Colorado, the big story this week that they want us to think about in the media all over, they won't stop talking about Deflate Gate. I guess Tom Brady came out and did a press conference talking about Deflate Gate. Like, that's the big story, you know. Should he forfeit his Super Bowl trophy? You know, and they coming out saying, yeah, Brady knew all about it, or he most likely knew about it. It's fucking bullshit, man. Sick of it. Fucking preoccupation with sports we got going on in this fucking America, this so-called country. But yeah, that Deflate Gate is a big main thing they're talking about, and then more people joining the presidential puppet show, as I like to call it. More turds announcing their candidacy, their fake candidacy, you know, to make Americans believe that they have some power. They go through a lot of trouble to make us believe that, you know, our elections are real and that we actually we control this country. It's fucking bullshit. It's just a fucking big turd puppet show to make us believe that we have power. For some reason, that's important to them. Even though a lot of us know it's all fucking bullshit. Our elections are a scam, a sham, so they can justify the shit they pull on us. For one, there's a few reasons, I think, why they want us to believe that our elections are genuine. But yeah, speaking of turds, Obama, the main talking turd puppet, fake president of the United States, actor playing a role, he was in Portland, Oregon this week talking about Trans-Pacific Partnership and how it's gonna level the playing field. You know, like all these other countries are gonna be, their standards are gonna rise because of this. No, that's not what's gonna happen. What's really gonna happen is American standards are gonna go down even more. That's what's gonna happen. So they're gonna pass this Trans-Pacific Partnership, no doubt, and it's gonna drag America down to a pretty much a third world nation status. Bunch of swallows up there on the wire. They're like, what the fuck's going on? Yeah, this sucks for the animals, man. Birds and other animals really suffer in these late spring snowstorms. A lot of them die. They just can't make it because all the food is on the ground for them and all this snow covers it up. But anyways, back to the elections. I'm pretty sure that the election's already been decided. It's all just a puppet show going on. I think Mrs. Clinton is going to win, or she's been selected, because they want the first lesbian dyke president. Well, she's not openly lesbian dyke, but everybody knows it. Just like Obama's not openly gay, but a lot of people kind of believe he is. Dang, the camera keeps getting fogged up here. Hopefully this don't destroy my camera, because I don't have the waterproof shell on it. But yeah, not just the first woman, but a lot of people know that she's a dyke. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that the New World Order likes her, and we can't have a normal president anymore in America. It's got to be either the first half Caucasian president. I don't like calling him half black because I really don't consider Obama black at all. He don't act black at all. Reverend Al Sharpton, now that guy's black. Obama, he's just an abomination. The first fucking totally gay president, I think, but not openly, because he can't be open and honest about anything. Guy's the biggest fucking fraud that I've ever seen. Anyways, our whole system's a fraud, and that's why they like him. I'm sure if he could get away with it, they would give him a third term, because he's so fucking good at it, at being a turd and playing the role of president. He does a good job, man. He is, I'll give him that. He plays the role of president pretty fucking good, but I can still see what a turd he is behind it all. Every gesture he makes, every fucking facial expression he makes, it's all been programmed into him, man. The guy's like a fucking robot, really. He's not human. I don't even consider him human, let alone black or white. He's just like a fucking robot. Like a cartoon character, really. I see Obama. So yeah, that's what I really think about this fucking 2-year-long fucking bullshit show called a fucking campaign, where these puppet turds tour around the country and make believe it's all real. That's all it is. And they got questioning everybody's, right to run, like Ted Cruz. Obviously, he don't have the right to run because he was born in fucking Canada. It don't matter anymore. Obama don't have to prove nothing, because it really just don't matter. That's what they're telling us in our face, that our system is a fucking joke. And haha, we don't care. Maybe something will happen and Obama will get a third term. I'm not putting that out. I'm not ruling that out either. So yeah, that's my view on the fucking bullshit 2016 presidential election. I'm saying they've already picked Hillary. So yeah, they're forecasting 1 to 2 feet of snow out of this storm by tomorrow morning, Mother's Day. And I'm sure they'll blame it all on climate change and global warming. This is why we need a carbon tax. This is why we need to tax the people even more, so they'll quit burning so much carbon, or quit driving so much. It's all fucking such a racket and scam. You know what global warming and climate change is? It's their cover story for weather manipulation, and that's what's really going on. They're manipulating the fucking weather and blaming it on the people. It really fucking makes me sick. So yeah, also this week in the shit show, there was more cop killings. Some in Los Angeles, one in Baltimore. You really just don't hear about it unless it goes into their agenda of the media, their fucking stinking fucking New World Order agenda that they, to take away all our rights, take our guns away and shut the whole country down into martial law and just end the whole American way of life, well, which they ended back in 2001 with 9/11, and it's just been a progressive downhill slide from there. But you know, for some reason they got to try to justify every fucking move they make and blame it on us. That's how it works. They don't want us to know the truth of why they're doing this. They want us to believe that it's the Muslims that hate our fucking freedom. The truth is, it's them that hate our freedom. It's the fucking people that are running this world that hate our freedom. But they'll keep telling us it's the Muslims that did 9/11 that hate our freedom, but they did. It's the fucking Jewish assholes that run this country that did 9/11 and blamed it on the fucking Muslims. They're the ones that hate our freedom. Let's get that straight. Besides, we don't really have any freedom in this country. It's all a fucking big charade, man, and most people believe it. You know, they think that just because we're not in jail means we have freedom. You know, you're not even free to be homeless in this country anymore, man. Denver's a good example of it. If you get caught on the streets, you know, in any kind of way that looks like you're sleeping, they'll arrest you. They passed a law. Denver's a big fucking shithole, man. Anti-human. You know, if you put a blanket on yourself down in Denver, they'll arrest you for camping, and they fucking won't hesitate. So, you know, that's your freedom in America. It's a fucking big charade, man. Oh yeah, and another interesting thing that happened here in Colorado this week, speaking of the shit show, is that they passed the DUI felony law, and it's going to be signed by Mayor Lickenpooper. Governor Lickenpooper. Yeah, they say it's going to his desk. What do you think? Think he'll sign it? Or do you think he'll veto it? What a joke, man. He'll rubber stamp that motherfucker. You know, it's a big joke, man. Well, what are you going to do, Mr. Lickenpooper? They'll all laugh as if there's any fucking chance in heck that he's going to veto it. Oh, man. What a joke. You know, so that's just another way to fucking destroy people's lives, man. For smoking marijuana. And that's part of it. That's fucking, I can see the writing on the wall, man. You smell like marijuana, sir. I'm gonna have to ask you to step out of the vehicle. And they'll fucking ram a DUI down your throat. Oh God, what a fucking nightmare we're living in. So anyways, that's a little bit of what's going on in the shit show this week. So enjoy life while you can, because fucking lowering the boom on us, that's for sure. Thanks for watching, man. I'll talk to you guys later.